Governor says the state needs to explore all of its options for employee health insurance. And that includes moving away from HMOs and the state insuring itself.
This is a controversial idea, with the governor stressing tonight it's just an option. Political reporter Jessica Arp joins us now to explain.
Well, the state healthcare system hasn't seen a major change in decades, but the idea being explored would move state employees from the current HMO system to the state assuming the risk and financially dealing directly with your doctor.
Just so that it's clear, in the budget, we put language in that authorized a study.
Governor Walker, speaking to reporters at the World Dairy Expo, says he isn't yet pushing for a major change in state employee health insurance.
There is no offering we're putting out there. Rather, we're saying, who's afraid of getting more information?
The Department of Employee Trust Funds has already been gathering information. A study late last year by research firm Deloitte found that if the state self-insured or paid directly for employee health care costs, they could save $20 million. But since they wouldn't know exactly how much those costs could be, it could cost them $100 million more.
I'm not a very smart guy on this stuff, but the fact of the matter, that don't sound like a very good odds to me.
Executive Director of the State Employee Union, Marty Beal, says self-insurance would cause the collapse of a robust system of HMOs around the state and reduce coverage for state workers.
We don't think, nor do we trust Scott Walker and his administration to do this, and I don't believe he's shooting straight here with people.
The governor points to an updated Deloitte study from August, pointing to a 4 to 5% cost savings by avoiding taxes and fees under the Affordable Care Act. But that study also said that competition among HMOs is already saving the state money, and any change could cause major provider disruption around the state.
When we make this decision, we're going to want as much information as possible, not just to get out from having to pay some of the taxes and fees under the Affordable Care Act, but making sure any decision we make is not only good for the taxpayers from a dollars and cents standpoint, but it's ultimately good for the economy.
The State Group Insurance Board is set to consider next Friday whether or not to put out an official request for proposals for someone to administer this system. The governor says that's because they couldn't get enough information through Deloitte's research. Beal says he's afraid it's because they plan to go ahead with it no matter what.
Okay, all right. Well, he's stressed an option, but we'll see, right? Thanks, Jess.